So we're here converting the hatch to turbo. Just hanging out. Damn, you put it all together for real, bro. You gotta take the downpipe off.
Uh-huh. Big, man.
Yeah, we got.
I'm gonna get spanked. I gotta go and get one.
That's the return line.
I need a transfer.
We got it on. We had to play with this for a little bit because it doesn't clear, but we're gonna move the fan over. So we're getting there. Right now we're putting the rubbers with the clamps. Get the pipe set up.
Damn, esa manga va a estar bien duro.
Which one?
The one for the oil.
We got it bolted in. We have to cut it here and read through the little lumps that are there just to get the fit. So now we're gonna put the oil return line and the oil feed line and run the boost gauge. Hopefully we can get it started tonight. And we're gonna change the map sensor to a 4-bar. I believe Speed Factory. Where's your map sensor? Yeah, it's from Speed Factory. The 4-bar. So we finally put it together.
I don't want to touch the hose.
Wait,
And we're gonna get ready to turn it on soon.
Oh, yeah. That's just for now, porque mañana I'll give it back to you.
No, you can keep it. I don't care. Just
Got the
make sure
radiator
it
fit.
works. ¿No me entiendes?
¿Dónde la vamos a dejar?
You're gonna go home and be like, oh,
Just porque mira, aquí está la manguera.
Deadass.
I need that line, yo.
I need that line, give it back.
No, yo, Advance sells like a pack for like $4. Like it's pretty long. That's what I bought mine.
Like
Yeah, I
whole
said 40, nigga. What the fuck you mean?
$4,
He's trying to
not
hustle,
40.
he's trying to hustle.
Yeah, we got a hustle out here. Nigga. You say you needed it now? I got it.
So $40. I got it now.
What you think I don't need a TL?
That's a buy now price.
Yeah, I know. It's a fast
You
chipping.
dark as hell.
Wait, that's what I-
Oh, you can barely see y'all.
Cabrón.
Oh, really?
I can see you.
Oh,
Black as hell.
Este cabrón deja así como cualquiera con esa puta luz.
Looks normal right there, and I take it out.
Ponle un pine con.
Put a pine cone on the back
It's an
tire.
e-brake, that's a wheel chuck.
No viene y me dice, yo búscate un pine con. Y ahora para el jodido cabrón Acura.
Now we primed the oil,
Pon un pine con.
and now we're gonna see if it turns on.
Dale.
Go ahead.
Oye.
Sale el aire,
¿Ah?
What?
Ay, Dios mío. Yo lo bajé el aire.
Bájame a mí, nigga.
What air?
Lo bajé y se apagaba. You put more fuel, James?
We have to figure out the fuel first, adjust the regulator, see if it turns on.
Just leave it idle and then just...
Papi, estamos aquí, mira, bien emocionados aquí porque el hombre va a prender el monstruo.
Estúpido.
No mames.
Estamos como los nenes chiquitos. Mira, cuidado con la cerveza que se va a caer, cabrón.
The map sensor told you.
Yeah, it's definitely the map.
Alright, we're gonna change the map. Dale. Let it run. Like everything is not leaking.
Esto está en autobús, ¿va? Le ponemos aquí así colocado, Rey. Yo soy llamado, ¿cómo ni un nieto?
So it's been a couple of days. My brother-in-law has been breaking in his clutch. So we're gonna go for a test drive and see how the car runs now. We're gonna hit it a little bit just to see if everything's working. And then we're gonna send it to the dyno tune. We haven't figured out which dyno's place we're gonna go to, either Xenocron or Evans Tuning, but we'll figure it out. But let's go test drive the car.
What is your boost gauge going up to?
Ahorita yo sí que estaba como en el 10.
I already see something.
That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video, share it. See you on the next one. Peace.